There are a lot of financial institutions that offer many different mortgage solutions. At first glance, the purchase of a house can appear to be a rather simple task. A deeper look will tell you that it is a very complicated process that requires experience and understanding. Let an accredited mortgage professional guide you through the various options and programs available to you. One of the leading individuals in the world of mortgage professionals is Victor Schaefer.
My goal is to connect the client with the proper financial institution. That means I have to find a lender with good terms and conditions, low prepayment penalties, and definitely the best mortgage rates as well.
For over 10 years, Victor Schaefer has been working in the Canadian mortgage industry under the Verico OneLink brokerage. Verico is the largest brokerage network in Canada, and OneLink is the largest mortgage brokerage in Manitoba. Victor's team consists of 6 employees, one of which speaks 3 languages. Like the back of his hand, Victor knows what all the financial institutions offer and the terms and conditions that accompany their products. In the CMP magazine, Victor was ranked #1 in volume for Manitoba and 19th across Canada. It's important to mention that the services provided are free of charge to the client. Victor is paid by the financial institution that he places your mortgage with upon completion.
What I like about my profession is that I'm not limited to just one mortgage option. Today I'm dealing with one lender, tomorrow with a different one. It's all about who is offering the best mortgage option at this particular time. Another thing what I'm really pleased about that the clients are getting a better interest rate through our channel, which is not always the case if they are dealing directly with their bank.
The best way to start the mortgage process is to contact a mortgage professional. It is their job to review your application, supporting documents, and credit history. From this, the mortgage broker can determine the maximum purchase price based on the individual circumstances. Once you have found the house of your dreams, the broker submits your application to the bank for final approval. Should the lender decline your application, the mortgage broker will work quickly to find the next alternative. Once an approval is received that is satisfactory to the client, the mortgage broker will finalize the contract by explaining and signing the necessary paperwork. For a mortgage professional, the work does not stop here. The mortgage professional will continue to inform his clients monthly regarding the national market and the current mortgage interest rates. Conveniently, mortgage brokers can work across all of Canada and provide long-distance services.
Today the clients may be living in one province, tomorrow in a different one. Wherever the clients are located across Canada, we can help. Approximately 6 months before the mortgage is due for renewal, we contact the client and review the best mortgage options available on the market. For me, it's very important that my clients understand that I am their mortgage professional, not just for the initial mortgage transaction, but for anything mortgage related in the future as well.
Clients will understand and appreciate the professional service they receive and the information provided by the mortgage professional in helping them with their dream home purchase.
Victor was able to help me out on several occasions. At one point in my life, I was self-employed and he helped me get mortgage financing in that situation. And then I switched to being employed and he got me a better rate right away as well. So that was really good to see.
I met Victor about 8 years ago. There's a home I wanted to buy. Victor helped me to get a mortgage for that home. And since then, he has helped 3 of my children as well to get mortgages for homes they wanted to buy. And they are so happy to work with Victor.
What I like the best in dealing with Victor is that he is taking a personal care of me, and whenever I have any question, he will answer it right away.
I first started working with Victor a couple of years ago, and from the first moment I started working with him and his team, it was a pleasant experience. I felt like I was working with a team of professionals and I got all the answers to my questions very promptly.
Victor is very professional at his work. He takes good care in explaining the details of a mortgage to his clients. Clients that have worked with him are very pleased and will be satisfied when working with Victor.
I've recommended Victor's services to many of my friends because I'm very confident in his professional level, and for me there is no alternative for him because he's the best on the market.
An independent mortgage professional to become an accredited mortgage professional, the mortgage broker must have many years of related experience in the financial industry and pass a written exam. After that, the mortgage professional must undergo a series of continuing education courses to ensure that they are connected with the latest changes in the mortgage financing world. In addition to his mortgage license, Victor is one of the few mortgage professionals that holds a valid insurance license.
The insurance options I offer compared to banks and credit unions are far better because the insurance coverage is not decreasing with the mortgage amount. If the client moved to a different house, switched financial institutions, or refinanced their mortgage, there is no need to reapply. The insurance coverage remains the same and there is no additional health check required.
Information about the bank system and insurance options can be obtained through Victor's ongoing seminars and webinars. These sessions are intended to inform those thinking about buying a house and offer helpful insight to new immigrants and Canadians alike. For those who are ready to purchase a house, Victor Schaefer is available to have a personal consultation.